Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are going to see the NPDM, that is National Policy on Disaster Management 2009. So as I said in a previous video, I am not explaining each and everything which are present here, because the notes are very easy to understand and very easy to remember. So that's why I am not explaining each and everything. So I am just read the notes, and you can also read the notes and get conceptual clarity. After that, if you feel the notes are not good enough, then you can refer other books also. So the first points of National Policy on Disaster Management (NPDM) is the National Policy on Disaster Management, that is NPDM, has been prepared in tune with and in pursuance of the Disaster Management Act 2005. The National Policy on Disaster Management (NPDM) will provide the framework roadmap for handling the disaster in historic manner. So basically, it is an roadmap or the framework for to handle the disasters. The policy covers all aspects of disaster management, covering institutional, legal, and financial arrangements, disaster prevention, mitigations, and preparedness, technological regime, response, relief, and rehabilitations, reconstruction and recovery, capacity development, knowledge management, and research and development. It focuses on the areas where the action is needed and institutional mechanisms through which such action can be channelized. The NPDM addresses the concerns of the sections of society, including differently abled persons, women, children, and other disadvantaged groups, in the term of grant of relief and formulating a measures for rehabilitation of the affected person due to the disaster. The issue of equity or inclusiveness has been accorded due to consideration. The NPDM aims to bring a transparency and accountability in aspects of disaster management through the involvement of community-based on organizations, Panchayati Raj institutions, that is the PRIs, local bodies, and civil societies. So basically, this is a combination of all of these. Now the vision, we can see here the vision of the NPDM. The vision is to build a safe and disaster resilient India by developing a holistic, proactive, multi-disaster oriented and technology-driven strategy through a culture of prevention, mitigation, preparedness, and response. Now we can see the approach of the NPDM. The first is a holistic and integrated approach will be involved towards the disaster management, with emphasis on building strategic partnerships at various levels. The themes underpinning the policy are the community based on DM, including a last miles integrations of the policy, plans, and execution, the capacity development in all spheres, consolidations of past initiatives and best practices, the cooperations with agencies at national and international levels, the multi-sectional synergy. Now we can see the objectives of NPDM. The objectives of the National Policy on Disaster Management are promoting a culture prevention, preparedness, and resilience at the levels through knowledge, innovation, and education, encouraging the mitigation measures based on technology, traditional wisdoms, and environmental sustainability, mainstreaming disaster management into developmental planning process, establishing institutional and technological frameworks to create an enabling regulatory environments and compliance regime. Next, ensuring efficient mechanism for identification, assessment, and monitoring of disaster risks, developing contemporary forecastings and early warning systems backed by responsive and fail-safe communications with the information technology support, promoting a protective partnerships with the media to create awareness and contributing towards the capacity development, ensuring the efficient response and relief with the caring approach towards the needs of the vulnerable sections of the society, undertaking reconstruction as an opportunity to build a disaster resilient structures and habitat for the ensuring a safer living, promoting a protective productive and protective partnership with the media in a disaster management. Now here we can see the background of National Policy Disaster Management, that is NPDM 2009. The first point which is included in NPDM is the Disaster Management Act 2005 enacted by Parliament was notified in Gazette of India on 26th December 2005. The Act provides for the legal and institutional framework for the effectiveness management of disaster. The Act mandates creation of new institutions and assignment of specific roles for central, state, and local governments. Under the provisions of the Act, the National Disaster Management Authority, that is NDMA, has been established under the chairmanship of the Prime Ministers and National Executive Committee, that is NEC, of secretaries has been created to assist the NDMA in the performance of its functions. At the state level, the State Disaster Management Authority has been created under the chairmanship of Chief Minister of the state, which has been assisted by the state executive committee. At the district level, district disaster management authorities have been created. So this is all about the NPDM, and if you feel these notes are not that much good or not that much enough, then you can refer to other sites or other books also. And if you but I think this is good enough and sufficient notes for the any competitive exam. So if you like these notes, like this video, please hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.